This video shows how to create and edit an employee shift schedule. Set how many people are needed each day. Set different needs for different weekdays. Change a few dates directly in the table. Add the employees for this schedule. Add simple work limits for each person. Click Run to create the first schedule. Check assignments, missing staff, and messages. Choose Locked Once for shifts that should not change. Lock several cells, then run the schedule again. Choose Unavailable once for days someone cannot work. Mark several assigned days as unavailable. Run again so the schedule can adjust. Choose blank once to clear those changes. Clear several cells without changing modes. Lock a few more shifts in the same way. Run again after adding those locks. Mark another small group as unavailable. Run once more to update the schedule. Review the final schedule, totals, and messages. Make changes and run again without starting over. Search for Converge Shift Scheduler.